Self-practice 5.6, question 2. Diagram on the right shows a ball bouncing on the floor. The maximum height of the bounce of the ball is 3 meters. And the height of each bounce is 95% of the previous bounce. From which bounce onwards will the height be less than 1 meters? Okay, so they said the maximum height is 3 meters. That has to be the first bounce, because after the first bounce, the next bounce and the consequent bounces are all 95% only from the original bounce, from the previous bounce. So 95% of the previous bounce. Right. So if they say 95%, that means our R will be 95 over 100, which is 0.95. And these 3 meters will be our A. So we can say A is 3 meters and R is 0.95. Okay, we need to find which bounce onwards will the height be less than 1 meters. So we need to find which term will be lesser than 1. Okay, so the formula for Tn in a geometric progression is ARn minus 1. Okay, so we need to find ARn minus 1 less than 1. We know our A, we know our R, so let's sub this in. Okay, now we try to find n, because n will be the nth bounce. So 3 we bring here will become divide, so 0.95 n minus 1, 1 over 3. And to bring the power down, we need to multiply both sides with log. So what we do is we multiply both sides with log 10, Lg. So we're going to get log 10 0.95 power n minus 1 less than log 10 1 over 3. Okay, so now this power we can bring down ready. So n minus 1 log 0.95 is lesser than log 1 over 3. So now we need to bring this over here. But you have to remember, if we have log lesser than 1, so 0.95 is less than 1, we will be getting a negative value. So log 0.95, you can see here it's negative. So every time this number is less than 1, you must remember that this is negative. Why is this important? Because when we are dividing by a negative number, the symbol must change. So we can say n minus 1 is more than log 1 over 3 over log 0.95. Here, don't forget to change the symbol when we divide by a negative value. Okay. So log 1 over 3 divide log 0.95. We get n minus 1 is more than 21.4. So n is more than 22.4, because negative 1 we bring there will become plus 1. So since n is more than 22.4, n is therefore 23. That means on the 23rd bounce, the ball will be less than 1 meter after bouncing 23 times. That's it.